The God-man, the Word made flesh. Journey of Joseph and Mary. The marvelous story of the journey of Joseph and Mary to Jerusalem to pay their taxes, physiologically explained. On either side of the thalamus in the head is a gland known in physiology as the pineal. On the posterior and the pituitary on the anterior side of the thalamus. The pineal is cone-shaped and secretes a yellow or golden fluid. The pituitary body opposite it is ellipsoid in shape and contains a whitish secretion like milk. The fluids that are found in both these bodies come from the same source, namely the claustrum, which means barrier or cloister, and is referred to as cloister for the very good reason that a precious and holy thing is secreted or secluded there. Saint Claus or Santa Claus is another term for this precious fluid, which is indeed a holy gift in the body of each one of us. The precious fluid which flows down from the claustrum separates, part going into the pineal gland and part to the pituitary body, and these being special laboratories of the head, differentiate the fluid from the claustrum, and it takes on the colors above mentioned, and in the pineal gland becomes yellow and has electric properties. The pituitary body, having the milk-like fluid, has magnetic properties. These two glands are the male and female, the Joseph and Mary of the physical body, and are the parents of the spiritual son born in the solar plexus of each human being, commencing about the age of 12. This yellow and white material, which is the milk and honey referred to in the Bible, the children of Israel, having been given the promise of a return to this land flowing with milk and honey, at last reaches the solar plexus via semilunar ganglia. See chart. The Bethlehem of the physical body. In Hebrew, Bethlehem means house, Beth of bread, Lehem. I am the bread of life, said the allegorical Jesus. In the solar plexus is a thimble-shaped depression, a cave, or manger, and in this is deposited the psychophysical seed, or holy child, born of this immaculate conception. This psychophysical seed is also called fish, as it has the odor of fish, and is formed in the midst of the waters, the pure water. Jesus is a fish in the midst of the waters, St. Augustine. Before birth, the human fetus floats, like a fish, in the fluids by which it is surrounded, and as it is with the child formed on the generative plane, so it is with the spiritual child born in the solar plexus, the Bethlehem. Joseph and Mary, by furnishing the material for the spiritual child, which was to redeem the child or body formed in generation, paid the symbolical redemption money. Holy Ghost, Greek for breath. The breath descending the pneumogastric nerve into the solar center enters the manger where Joseph and Mary are, and where is Jesus, the seed literally conceived by the Holy Ghost.